Okay, now you can start.
I want the kitty cat, Daddy.
How do you ask for it?
Please.
Where did you see the kitty cat? At Cracker Barrel?
Yes.
How come you didn't get it? Daddy said for you to leave it?
Yes.
He said you couldn't have the kitty cat at Cracker Barrel?
Yes.
But you got other toys, didn't you? See, you got Tigger and Eeyore.
I wanted you to eat yours.
But that's what you got at Target yesterday because you said you wanted it.
I don't want to eat yours.
So you want me to take it back to the store? Well, we better find the receipt in the box it came in.
I need a kitty cat.
You need a kitty cat instead? I don't know. What did the kitty cat look like?
It's right. The Mickey Mouse squish out.
It's like a Mickey Mouse?
A Mickey Mouse squish out.
A Mickey Mouse scratch out?
Just a big Mickey Mouse. It's a squish out.
Oh, a Mickey Mouse that stretched out?
No, it's horrible. It's a squish out.
Oh, okay.